Come check out a beachfront suite at Couples Negril. As you enter, to your right is a fully stocked, not so mini minibar that you can customize to your preferences. A very comfortable king-size bed. Under the television in that cabinet is a coffee maker and a mini fridge that they will stock with your requested mixers and soda. Stepping out onto the balcony, you have a breathtaking ocean view, a relaxing hammock, and a table and chairs. Coming back into the room, you will notice you have a good-sized couch for hanging out. And then as we round the corner, we can check out the huge bathroom. The closet has lots of storage and a safe to keep your valuables. And then an awesome soaking tub, perfect to relax in after a day on the beach.